Imagine waking up one day, checking your account and seeing that you hit your first million. Sounds unreal, right? But what if I told you that the journey to that milestone is closer than you think? Whether you are just starting out or you're afraid to take the leap, this video will guide you step by step on how to start investing like a pro and set yourself for a serious wealth. Stick around because today we are diving into the exact strategies that can turn your first investment into the beginning of your millionaire journey. Let's get started. Now, I know investing can sound as intimidating as learning a new language, but don't worry, we are going to break it down into bite-sized pieces. Investing is really just a way to make your money grow over time. Think of it as planting a seed and watching it turn into a money tree. All it takes is a solid strategy, consistency, and a bit of patience. Before we get into details, let's make sure we are on the same page. Investing means putting your money into assets, things like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even your own business, with the goal of making that money work for you instead of you working for money. Here's a key term you need to know: risk and return. Risk is the chance you could lose money, and return is the potential to make more money. For example, if you invest in a startup, it's high risk because startup can either skyrocket or crash. On the other hand, investing in the stocks of a large, stable company carries lower risk, but the return might not be as high. It's like deciding whether to bet big on a new player or trust the seasoned veteran. Let's start with something simple. High interest accounts. Think of these like a saving account, but with a bonus. Imagine your regular saving account as your grandma, reliable but not very exciting. A high interest account, on the other hand, is like that cool friend who always knows where to find the best deals. You are still saving, but you are getting more in return. Speaking of savings, let's talk about the traditional saving account. It's like an old-fashioned light bulb, functional but not the brightest. You can store your money here, but don't expect miracles. This account is great for short-term savings, but for real growth, you will want to look elsewhere. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Index funds. Think of these as the superheroes of the investment world. Instead of trying to pick the next big stock, you are investing in a whole team of them. Like the S&P 500. It's like buying every chocolate bar in the store so you don't miss out the best ones. ETFs are another powerful tool for beginners. Similar to index funds, ETFs let you invest in a basket of assets, but they trade like stocks on the exchange. This means you can buy and sell them through the day, unlike mutual funds which are traded only at the end of the day. Think of ETFs as a shopping cart filled with different investments. You get a little bit of everything, and it's all conveniently bundled together. They offer diversification, lower fees, and flexibility, making them a great choice for anyone looking to start investing without the hassle of picking individual stocks. Real estate crowdfunding is like joining forces with friends to buy a huge pie. Instead of buying a whole property, you pool your money with others to finance a project. In return, you get a slice of the profits. It's like a way to get into real estate without needing a fortune. Dividend stocks are like getting regular paychecks from your favorite company just for owning shares. Companies that pay dividends are usually stable and reliable, making them a great choice for beginners. It's a way to earn income while still growing your investments. Here's our unconventional yet powerful investment, your side hustle. Think of a side hustle as an investment in your future wealth. Whether it's freelancing, starting an online business, or even selling products on platforms like Etsy or Amazon. A side hustle can generate extra income that you can reinvest into your portfolio. It's like planting an extra tree in your money garden that can bear fruit more quickly. Plus, The skills and experience you gain from a side hustle can often be applied to other areas of your life, making it a win-win. And here's the secret: the best investment you can make is in yourself. Whether it's continuing education, learning a new skill, or starting your own business, investing in yourself can lead to higher income and financial independence. It's like buying superpowers for your future. But remember, even superheroes can make mistakes. Here are a few to avoid. Don't try to predict the market. It's nearly impossible. Instead, focus on long-term strategies. Diversify your investments to reduce risk and stay disciplined even when the market is down. Investing doesn't have to be complicated or scary. With the right strategies and a little patience, you can grow your wealth over time. Start simple, with high interest accounts and index funds. As you gain confidence, explore other options. The key is to stay consistent, keep learning, and trust the process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, keep investing in your future.